Introducing the stunning 2023 Volkswagen T-Roc 2.0TDI style with rear-view camera and USB-C. This powerful beauty boasts 116 horsepower, a sleek blue exterior and only 7,494 kilometres on the clock. Packed with comfort features like air conditioning, cruise control and ambient lighting, this car will make every drive a pleasure. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. With a comprehensive warranty, full health check and manufacturer to servicing, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie today for more information.